Holistic medicine is a specialty which is recognized in the Western countries. Unfortunately, it is not yet recognized as a specialty by the Medical Council of India, but you'll be surprised to learn that for more than 2 decades, holistic medicine is a board certified specialty in USA. It is a common saying, they know what happens in USA will happen in India 10 years or 20 years later. Now I think it's over 20 years. It's high time that holistic medicine is recognized as a specialty whereby qualified medical doctors are, as a part of Skill India program, enhance their skills beyond their capabilities in the modern medicine, in the allopathic system of medicine. Allopathy means taking help from outside, and these medicines which we take from outside mostly do not match with our system and create, that is why the side effects and cumulative toxicity leading to even more number of diseases, adding to the morbidity, and finally leading to a very prolonged, most of the times painful and even highly expensive death. So to overcome this, the qualified medical doctors of the country, not only the allopathic but the Ayurvedic, the yoga naturopathy, the Unani, the Siddha and the homeopathic qualified doctors should be simultaneously trained in these drug-free modalities, which I may enumerate as lifestyle management. You know, when lifestyle management, stress management, weight management, all these things become an inherent and natural part of the yogic practices into our lifestyle. And the therapeutic modalities of the Panchkarma, the detoxification, complemented by a nutritious, healthy diet. And all this is very good in prevention and early reversal of the disease. But you add to it the system of the Chinese acupuncture and its various modalities. It helps us in combination with all these modalities to reverse the diseases even at very late, advanced and terminal stages of sickness of people. So I shall appeal through this medium to the double helical that people become aware of the healing potential within them that can, by a proper guidance, help us to reverse, eliminate all kinds of sickness and restore total health, positive health and total wellness, as we say, body, mind and soul. Now, to enumerate the diseases, as I say, first I help the people to overcome pain. Pain which is incurable, pain which does not respond to any drugs, or even after surgical interventions, the pain has not been able to be cured. It may be just a headache or a migraine, it may be a pain of the sinuses, it may be a pain of the spine, of the spondylosis or low backache, or the slip discs, the sciatica, or pain of any arthritis, osteoarthritis, the age-related degenerative arthritis, or even the autoimmune disease of rheumatoid arthritis. So the pain is universally, by reversing the very cause of the pain, is curable, which unfortunately modern medicine all the time, pain is the gift of the designer of this body, of the divine. If I had no pain, I get a heart attack and I will die and nobody will come to my rescue. When my pain sensations go back, it's like the lepers, I start losing my body tissues. So pain is a gift of the God. Pain is like a fire alarm installed in the system, tells you there is something wrong. But if there's an alarm, you go and switch it off, like killing the pain continuously. One day when it comes, the whole building will collapse. That's the approach in drug oriented management or control of pain. But through these holistic medical practices, it helps us to go to the very root cause of the problem, reverse the process, and within few days and minutes. People say allopathic medicine is very good because it is very quick, it is very effective. Yes, I do not deny that, but at the same time, these procedures can be faster, and I have proved in the intensive care units of the hospitals where I have worked as a senior consultant, where I founded this department of holistic medicine at the Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, that the moment you use this acupuncture needles in in patients suffering from terminal sickness or in the ICUs, in coma patients, at once it shows the results on the monitors that their heart rate starts getting controlled, the blood pressure starts getting improved, their oxygen saturation starts improving. People who may suffer from diseases like diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes. There are patients who have come to me who suffered from uncontrolled diabetes in spite of all the possible medicines and doses of insulin. But within a few weeks, their blood sugar levels have started getting controlled, and many of them have got fully cured to start living life fully. So why not use, when they say it is lifestyle, I think there should be a legislation in the country that before giving any medicine for blood pressure, high blood pressure or diabetes, especially in situations which are not in an emergency situation, that doctors should be enforced to follow the lifestyle management and help the people to recover these diseases right in their first stage, and thereby people can not only overcome the diseases but live a full life instead of living a morbid life. So whether it is diabetes or it is hypertension or it is heart disease, in fact my thesis for MD medicine with Delhi University through Army Hospital in 1977 to 79, it reveals that heart disease is a totally reversible, the so-called coronary artery disease is totally reversible, and it is Dean Ornish, this is Dr. Dean Ornish, is a pioneer in this, and it's a insurance paid and FDA approved system of reversal of heart disease in USA. But unfortunately, not many people are aware of it, that they can go and utilize it. And similarly, patients who have suffered strokes, cardiovascular accidents, have developed paralysis thereby, for which there is no cure. If at all there is any improvement happens, is because of my own healing process. As you said, Archimedes said that it is the life force in the individual which ultimately is the most important factor. So if we tap on that factor, so all these diseases can be reversed. So aging, I mean, there is somebody can be old at 40, another person can be young at 80. There's a Sardar, what was his name, who's running marathons at the age of 100. So it's all in your mind. You take care of your health, and aging is nothing but going down of this life force energy in our body. If this is picked up, you feel young and healthy, and this can be used to cure, as I said, not only painful conditions, the various psychosomatic. Psychosomatic is a mind-body disorder. There is so much stress, conflict, tension, anxieties in the mind that it sends wrong signals to the body, and the body starts suffering from various diseases. Restore the harmony of the mind, and all this can be reversed. The beauty is that this is so therapeutically successful, predictable, reproducible, and it is sustainable for life, that how we can deny this modality to the people. I think that would be a greatest crime on my part if I know that these diseases can be cured and I deny them to my people. Similarly, like I said, we're talking of age. So all degenerative disorders can be reversed. It's called anti-aging medicine. or regenerative medicine by enhancing our own energy, our own power. The various hormones, hormonal disorders, particularly fertility. We are very successful in patients who have gone through 4, 5, 6 cycles in the fertility clinics through various drugs, dependents, etc. But these very young girls, ladies, when they come to us, we are able to help restore and strengthen their hormone system that they conceive naturally and have a healthy childbirth. It is not even a fraction of cost of what one and the torture that one goes through these fertility clinics. You know, you name a disease. People ask me because now this magazine itself has highlighted a series of such famous Indians, people from abroad. People come from all the way from so many different countries: Australia, USA, England, Nigeria. So many ambassadors of various nations. It runs into the families, that one after the other. That's what gives me the strength to say that it is reproducible all the time. It helps in all the diseases, help to cure all the diseases of an individual at the same time. That's the beauty, at a fraction of a cost. And not only remove the disease, bring in health, wellness, happiness, and abundance in life. Thank you.
Thank you.